have we got any snorers here? He snores or you snore? He didn't even realise. He was living with her, but this woman's pointing at you. Look, it's not our fault, is it? This is what my missus used to do. Does she ever do this? Back in the day when I'd be snoring, right, my missus would elbow you. Does she ever do that? Like, hit you in the middle of the night? You've woke up with injuries? Okay, right, I think you're being abused, mate. I don't know if it's about snoring. You do what? A poke? A poke or a I don't know if these are safe words, love. I don't know if it's... Is this foreplay? This kid's in love. I don't...